Hey guys, it's me JSHDIY. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited we get to hang out again today. Today we're going to be testing out one ingredient water slime recipes. So if you guys want to find a slime recipe to make a super cool slime with something you maybe already have at home, just keep on watching. Also, I'm currently doing a huge iPhone 11 giveaway. I'm sending off iPhone 11s to people that have entered my giveaway. All you have to do to be entered in my giveaway is just like this video, comment below, and watch till the very end without skipping. I'll be checking to make sure you guys have followed each of the 3 giveaway rules, so make sure you have, and good luck. So last but not least, as you guys know, I have a phone number now just for you guys where I can send you guys behind the scenes slime footage. I do giveaways, and I also just respond back to you. It's actually me, so go send me a text, and I will be sending slime packages to people all day long that text me. So go text me right now, and I will try to send you a slime package. Today's notification squad shoutouts go to Shakirna M, Sugar Rainbow Naya, Maddie's Vlogs, and also Cindy Cupcake Gamer. The first one ingredient no glue slime we're going to be testing today is mouthwash slime. All you're supposed to do is freeze alcohol-free mouthwash in the freezer, and you are allowed to add 1 pump of hand soap if you want to make your slime extra thick. It has been 2.5 hours now since I actually put the Listerine in the freezer, so I'm very excited to see what has happened to the Listerine. The Listerine had some sort of a reaction with the hand soap, except for I wouldn't say that this was a successful recipe because it's not something you can hold and play with. For this next recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 1 ingredient hand soap clear slime. For activation, all you need is the smallest little sprinkle of salt. Leave it overnight for it to dry and you'll get this. I'm going to add a little bit of beads into this slime to make it a rice slime. This recipe works great as a really playable base slime, and you can really customize this into whatever type of slime you want. I always get requests to show you guys how to fix a sticky no glue slime, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to. The slime I'm going to be fixing today is a shampoo slime that did not work for me. As you guys can see, this is not holdable. First, I'm going to add some marker to color the slime. To make the slime not sticky anymore, you will need a hairdryer. You'll know you're done drying when you can touch the surface of the soap without sticking. You guys can see it's still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to put a container lid on it and we'll let this sit overnight. Here's the final result. As you guys can see, you can now poke the soap slime without it sticking to your fingers at all. Since the beginning of the week, you guys have been asking me to try putting shampoo out in the sun and letting it dry out for a couple hours to see if it will turn into slime. So we are going to see what happens. Okay, so I have my container of soap. This is a really metallic. I'm going to put this in direct sunlight outside, and I'll check on it every 30 minutes or so until I feel like it has turned into slime or until I give up. Okay, guys, it has only actually been probably 30 minutes. I was expecting it to take a couple hours, but I left it out there for 30 minutes, and I feel like it might have actually dried out a bit. So I don't know if this is picking up on camera, but you guys can see the top layer of the shampoo feels kind of dry, but at the very bottom of the batch, it feels like a really liquidy version of the shampoo, and it almost feels like it has melted. So this has a really inconsistent texture. It is 100% thicker than before, but it feels runnier in some spots, so it's a little bit weird. But this recipe did work. Like, I could totally see this working for some people because it pretty much worked for me. But let me know in the comments if you guys have tips to make this make more of a consistent, better slime texture. For the past month or so, I've been trying to find the perfect one ingredient water slime. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one ingredient water gel. For this recipe, all you need is any shampoo and, of course, water.
Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part.
Here is my finished slime. I had to let mine sit to dry out and clear up for, I would say, around a week, which took a while, but it was definitely worth it because, as you guys can see, it gives you a really nice gel slime. As you guys know, at the end of every video, I always mix something into slime. So today, you guys told me to mix a squishy into slime. So we're going to be mixing this panda bun into slime.